Welcome all of you. Now you are watching second class of the biology, structure and function of the neuron. What is a neuron? Neuron is the basic unit of the nervous system. You have studied what is nervous system in the last class. Can you say what is nervous system? Nervous system is the system which control and coordinates all life activities. The parts of the nervous system are made up of specialized cell called neuron or nerve cell. Today, let us study the structure of neuron. Let us see how to draw the structure of neuron. Like other cells, the neuron has cell membrane. Look at cell membrane. Cell membrane. Inside cell membrane, there is cytoplasm. Fluid part, cytoplasm. And almost at the center, is a nucleus. And these together form cell body of the neuron. Cell body, or otherwise it is called cyton. Cyton. From the cell body, many short filaments, you can see short filaments. Short filaments are there. These short filaments are called dendrons. Dendron. All the short filaments are dendrons. There is a long filament. You can see the long filament. The long filament is called axon. Axons. All the dendrons are branched. It has branches. You can see the branches here. The branches of the dendrons. All branched. The branches are called, the branches of the dendrons are called dendrites. Dendrites. The branches of the dendrons are dendrites. And listen here, this is the longest filament of the neuron. It also branched. This is the branches of the axon. Branches of the axon. The branches of the axons are called axonite. Axonite. The ends of the axonite. The swollen end of the axonites are called synaptic nerve. These are the synaptic nerve. Synaptic nerve. And see here, this is the axon of the neuron. Most axon of the neuron are myelinated. This is the myelinated covering of the axon. This covering is made up of Schwann cells. Schwann cells. Schwann cells. Protective covering of the axon. The protective covering of the axon, it is called myelin sheath. Myelin sheath. Now we are studying the structure of the neuron. Once again we can look at the major parts. One is cell body, cyton. The other is, second is dendron. The other is dendrite. Dendrite. Another is axon. The other is the branches of the axon. Axonate. The other is synaptic knob. And here is the myelin sheath. Let us see the function of the various parts of this neuron. Parts and function. The first part, dendrite. Dendrite receive impulse. Dendrite receive impulse. Second, dendron. Dendron carry impulse to cell body. Dendron carry impulse to cell body. Axon. Axon carry impulse from cell body to outside. Axon carry impulse from cell body to outside. And the next, synaptic knob. Synaptic knob which secrete neurotransmitter. Let us study the formation of the myelin sheath. How myelin sheath forms. Most neurons are repeatedly encircles myelin, a membrane containing lipid. This is called myelin sheath. Nerve is the group of axon. Myelin sheath in the nerves are formed of Schwann cells. Let us see the functions of the myelin sheath on the screen. One is provide nutrient and oxygen to axon. Second is accelerate impulse. And the other is act as a insulator. You know what is the difference between Schwann cell and oligodendrocyte? Schwann cell and oligodendrocyte. Let us see. Myelin sheath in the nerves are formed of Schwann cells, while myelin sheath in the brain and spinal cord are formed of specialized cells called oligodendrocytes. The myelin sheath has shiny white color. The part of the brain and spinal cord where myelinated nerves are present are called white matter. What is white matter? The parts of the neuron in the brain and spinal cord where myelinated nerves are present. The gray matter is the non-myelinated part of the neuron. Study the functions of the myelin sheath. Now I believe You have well studied the parts, structure, characteristics of the neuron. Now I am giving certain assignments. Note them in your science diary and find out answer and record it in your science diary. Thank you. Now questions are 1. Draw and label the parts of neuron. 2. Prepare a table showing parts, characteristics and functions of neuron. 3. Difference between white matter and gray matter. 4. Functions of myelin sheath.